Hello, this is Mrs. Cariotti from the Citizenship Academy in Syracuse, New York. I want to bring another brief lesson to you as we practice our counting for numbers 6 through 10. As you can see on the screen I'm sharing with you, the directions say count the dots in the tens frame and write the number next to it. So, remember when we were in school, we had been practicing using our pointer finger to touch and count each object or picture that we were counting to make sure we're doing it correctly. Now, I can't show you that on my screen, so what I'm going to do is I am going to go ahead and I'm going to color the dots in the 10 frame as we count, okay? So, let's take a look at this first tens frame, okay? I want you to count along with me. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So what we did is we just counted nice and slow, and I made sure that I colored each of the dots, and we counted 6 dots in that tens frame. Let's go ahead and do one more practice. Okay? We're here at the second tens frame. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Notice how I did that nice and slow, and I counted 8 dots. I'm going to write my 8 on the line next to it. Now, what I want you to do is I want you to finish the rest of the tens frame in this document that I'm going to share with you. And I will see you again soon. Happy counting!